Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will measure the distance between one point to another point by using a neo-6m GPS sensor. The main things in this project is the neo-6m GPS sensor. The sensor is used to find the latitude and longitude of any location. The sensor antenna is not strong, so our device is only able to measure distance in outdoor. The sensor communicates with the Arduino through the serial communication UART. If your neo-6m LED is blinking, that means the sensor is working. If not, that means the sensor is not able to receive signals. I use an Arduino Nano as a brain of this project and one OLED display for showing output. It's possible to measure the distance between 2 points using the 2-point latitude and longitude. The Haversine formula is mainly used for this task. I understand this formula from a YouTube video. I give the video link in description. You can check the video. After understanding the formula, simply I convert the formula into a C function. If I give the 2-point latitude and longitude, then the function give me the distance in kilometer. I made this project on breadboard because this is a prototype project. You can find the circuit diagram and code in the description below. Before uploading the code, select Arduino Nano and the correct COM port. I use a button for set the starting point. To test the device, I start from my home and put the device in my bag. After 10 minutes of walking, I check the device and it's showing me the distance in kilometer. In this way, you can measure the distance using a GPS sensor neo-6m. If you like this video, press the like button, and for more update, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.